our Unit 7, Lesson 4, Cool Down. Fun kites. So which letters in the phrase fun kites have parallel segments? Now we can look at our word wall over here if we forgot what parallel lines are. Remember, parallel lines are like the L's turned sideways. Well, actually, parallel lines can go up and down too. L is parallel. So we're looking for the lines. All right, yeah, so they never ever intersect, right? So if we look at our letters up here, couple of things, because I was going through some of your answers. So first of all, the question says which letters. Some of you guys drew lines.
What?
I marked that wrong because that's not answering the question. That's being lazy. So which letters have parallel segments? Vivian. N. So if we look at the letter N, we can see right here is parallel to this one, right? And it's a capital N. Okay, what else is parallel? Quinn? F. So if we look, we have this line and that line. F. Okay, what else? Emma?
U.
U. I don't know. This one's debatable because it has a curve right here. So I think they consider that whole thing like a line with a, I don't know. Now I'm thinking too much into it. How about we say U is a maybe? Okay, because I feel like some people might say yes and some might say no. Yeah. Delaney. Yeah, did you guys see E? E's got three lines that are parallel. Is that it?
Yep.
Yeah, and maybe U, but we're not sure. I really feel like it depends who you ask. Which lines have no parallel segments? Hadley.
K.
Yep. What else? Brooks. I, because it's just the one, right? Riker.
T.
T. Chase.
S.
S. And I think we would probably say U.
Yeah.
Yeah, so, all right, I will double check that one with the answer key. Okay, here's a field of dots. So you had to draw two pairs of parallel lines, but each pair had to point in a different direction. And the reason for that is if you just drew like 4 lines, that's too easy, right? So if you have parallel lines, you might have this one and this one. My pen does not like to go diagonal, so pretend those are straight.
Okay.
They're a little shaky. Maybe if I use the other side. No, that's even worse. Well, I could. Questions? Easy peasy, right? If you were absent, you would just do this and turn it into me. Okay? Good point. This one is parallel to this one, right? So is it okay that this line intersects these lines?
Yeah.
Yeah, because we're looking at pairs of parallel lines. Okay. All right, so that is your cool down for Unit 7, Lesson 4.